Welcome back, my dear kids. Welcome back to KumarsMathLab, where every problem has a solution. This is Chapter 6, Part 2 of Class 2. In this chapter, we'll learn some more questions of compare numbers up to 200. So, let's get started. Mr. Heather. Can you see Mr. Heather? This is Mr. Heather. Okay, let's read the question now. Mr. Heather wrote two numbers on the board. Okay, so he's writing two numbers on the board. What are the numbers? Number 156 and number 163, right? Now, compare the two numbers and place the correct sign. Okay, what signs we need to choose from? Less than, greater than and equal to. We need to choose from these three signs. Correct? Okay. We have learnt in previous class that when we move from left to right in a number line, we are moving from smaller number to the greater number. Right? That's why the smallest number in this number block is number 155 and the greatest number is number 164. Okay, now let us compare the numbers. The numbers we need to compare is 156 and 163. Let us find them on the number line. Okay, 155, 156. Okay, this is number 156. And where is number 163? 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162 and 163. This is number 163. And because 163 is coming after number 156, that's why 156 is what we will write here? 156 is less than 163. Correct. Okay, let's check the answer. Yes, 156 is less than 163 is the correct answer. Okay, let's move further. Mr. Heather changed the number to the below. Okay, he now changed the number to 175 and 172. Compare and place the correct sign. Okay, we need to compare number 175 and 172 now. Let's find these numbers on the number line. Where is 175? 170, 71, 172, 173, 174 and 175. This is number 175. And where is number 172? 170, 171 and 172. So, this is number 172 and this is number 175. Again, number 175 comes after number 172. That's why number 175 is... Tell me, write in the comment section quickly. Yes, number 175 is greater than number 172. Understood? Okay, now let's check the answer. Yes, 175 is greater than number 172 is the correct answer, right? Okay, let's move further. Now, he writes two new numbers on the board. Okay, what are these numbers? Number 137 and number 139. And Mr. Heather is saying something. Which of the following is true about number 137 and number 139? Okay, select the correct one. Okay, let's find these two numbers on the number line. So, where is number 137? 132, 133, 134, 135, 136 and 137. Here is number 137. And where is number 139? 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138 and number 139. Okay. So, which is the bigger number among these two? The number which is coming in the right hand side is always the bigger one. So, number 139 is greater than number 137. Correct? Or number 137 is less than number 139. Right? These both are correct statement. Right? Okay, let's find out here. 137 is equal to 139? No, these both are different. Right? 137 is greater than 139? No, wrong. This is a wrong statement. Why? Because 137 is coming before 139 on the number line, right? Is 137 less than 139? Yes, absolutely correct. This is the correct answer. Okay. That's right. Which of the following is true about 135 and 133? Now he wrote two new numbers on the number line, 135 and number 133. Right. Now select the correct one. Let's find out these numbers on the number line. Number 135, 132, 133, 134 and 135. This is number 135. And where is number 133? 132 and 133. This is number 133, right? Now, select the correct one. Now you will have to tell me, okay? Which number is coming before on the number line? 133, right? And which number is coming after on the number line? 135, correct. Now answer these questions wisely, okay? Select the correct one. 135 is less than 133. Is this correct? No, very good. This is not correct. And now you already know why this is wrong. Okay? 135 is greater than 133. Absolutely right. Yes. Why? Because when we are moving from left to right on a number line, we are moving from smallest to the largest number, right? And 135 comes after 133, right? That's why 135 is greater than 133. Very good. Is 135 equal to 133? No, absolutely not. They are not equal. Okay, my loves, understood? Okay, let's move further. Ankit has 2 baskets of tomatoes. Okay, he wants to pick the basket with more tomatoes. Okay, these 2 baskets are of tomatoes. This basket and this basket. Okay, and this basket has 134 tomatoes. This basket has 128 tomatoes, right? Which basket should he pick? He wants to pick the basket with more tomatoes, right? So help him. Let us compare the number of tomatoes using flat, rods and blocks. We did a lot of questions using flat, rods and blocks, right? Can you remember all these? Yes, of course you remember. These 2 kids are talking about something. Let's see what they are talking about. Can we compare 2 numbers without using a number track? This boy is asking. Then this smart girl is saying, yes, we can. We can compare 2 numbers using flats, rods and blocks. Yes. We need to compare first the number of hundreds with the number of hundreds of another number. Then we will compare the number of tens with the tens of another number. Similarly, we will compare the number of ones in both the numbers. Right? The number which has greater number of hundreds or tens or ones will be the greater number. Okay? Understood? If not, not a problem. You will get it very quickly. I'll tell you. Okay? Now see. Here we have 2 numbers. Number 1 and this is another number 2. Okay? Now, can you remember that flats, rods and blocks? 1 flat is equal to 100. 1 rod is equal to 1 tens and 1 block is equal to 1 ones. Okay. Now, let's compare these two numbers. We will first compare the hundreds of each number. Here we have 1 flat and here also we have 1 flat. Now, let us compare 100 first and place the correct sign. Okay. This number has 1 flat and this number has 1 flat. This number has 1 100 and this number also has 1 100. So, what sign we need to put here? 100 is equal to 100, right? So, here we need to put sign is equal to. Correct. Let's check the correct answer. Yes, 100 is equal to 100. Let's move to the next question. The number of 100 is same in both 134 and 128. Okay. Now, we compare the tens. Okay. Since both hundreds are equal, we need to compare the tens now. Okay. Now, these 3 rods means 3 tens, right? And these 2 rods means 2 tens. Okay. So, obviously, 3 tens is greater than 2 tens, right? This is equal to 30 and this is equal to 20. Very good. Now, let's check the answer. Yes, 3 tens is greater than 2 tens, right? Yes. So, this tells us that 134 is greater than number 128. Understood? Very good. Okay, let's move to the next question. Yes, we find that number 134 is greater than number 128. Now, Ankit wants to pick the basket with more tomatoes. Okay, select the basket Ankit should pick. Okay, this is so simple. Ankit should take the basket which has 134 tomatoes, right? So, select the basket Ankit should pick. Now, tell me which basket Ankit should pick? Yes, Ankit should pick this basket which has 134 tomatoes, right? Okay, why? Because 134 is greater than number 128. Very good. Let's move further. Neha and Ajay have made numbers using flats, rods and blocks. Okay. This is Neha and this is Ajay. Okay. Now, who has made a smaller number? Okay. Let's compare these two numbers. This is the number made by Neha. Right? And this is the number made by Ajay. Now, tell me, what we need to do at first? We need to compare the number of flats, rods and the blocks. Okay. The number which has more number of hundreds will be the greater number, or the number which has more number of tens will be the greater number, or the number which has greater number of ones will be the greater number, right? Okay, now let's compare the numbers. Let us compare the hundreds first. Okay, so Neha's number has 1 flat and Ajay's number has also 1 flat. So both number has 100 only. Okay, 1 100 and 1 100. So 1 100 is equal to 1 100. Okay, so the correct answer is 100 is equal to 100, right? Okay, let's move further. The number of hundreds is same in both numbers. So, now what we need to compare? We need to compare the number of rods in both the numbers, right? So, Neha's number has 6 rods and Ajay's number also has 6 rods. So, both are equal again. 6 tens is equal to 6 tens, obviously. So, let's check the correct answer. Yes, 6 tens is equal to 6 tens. Now, both tens are also equal. What we will do now? Tell me. Yes, you got it. The number of tens is also same in both numbers. So, let us compare the ones now, right? Now, Neha's number has 2 ones, okay? 2 ones. And Ajay's number has 5 ones. Now we got our answer. 2 ones is less than 5 ones, right? Okay, let's check the answer. Yes, 2 ones is less than 5 ones. Okay? So, who made smaller number? Now we can tell. Yes, Neha made smaller number than Ajay. Right? Ajay's number has more number of ones than Neha. That's why Neha's number is less than Ajay's number. Understood? Very good. Very good. Hope you enjoyed learning. In next class, we'll learn some more questions of compare numbers up to 200. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.